My wife and I moved out east last November from Ontario to Bocabec, New Brunswick. We had a cottage on Campbell Island. We loved it out here so much, we decided to move out here full time. This room that we're in right now is actually an old screened-in hot tub room, and the space just wasn't right for us. So we decided to close it in, make it a 3-season sunroom with a newly expanded deck. So what enticed us to run our project through Installation Services is the quality of products, the price, and also the project manager, Karen, was great at helping us plan the project out from start to finish and select a great contractor to help this project come to fruition. She came out a number of times to make sure the project was going according to plan and to answer any questions that my wife and I had. It was all done to the highest quality, professionally built. We have no concerns. We also love some of the unique features that were put in. The picture frame on the outside of the deck, custom bump outs, and upgraded railings. I would highly recommend going to the Kent in your local area like mine in St. Stephen, speaking with the Installation Services team, and they will walk you through the process, plan out your entire project, give you a budget, and they stick to it.